Hi there, Cal from Butterworth & Son, back with another Lessons from the Roastery. Today we're just going to have a little look at steaming milk, getting the correct texture, little tips and tricks to help you steam milk. Have a little look at pouring latte art as well, just some basics. We're highlighting our coffee at the moment today, Ethiopian honey. We've already pre-made a shot just for the purpose of the video today. So, starting off then, we've got a 20 ounce milk jug here. Sort of recommend starting on this size here. You want to go for the 12 ounce, a little bit too small really for steaming milk. With this one you've got plenty of room in there to sort of see what's going on as you're steaming it and get the process right. About 10 ounces of milk. So just go ahead and pour that in. So first things first, before we even start steaming the milk, we want to just flush out any old water in the steam wand here. So always give it a little purge before you use it. Just to make sure you've got the correct pressure there. Then bring it out fully so it's sort of facing towards you. Sort of mistake some people might make. If you have it somewhere like that, you're in danger of moving it a little bit as you steam it. And then just come along with the milk jug. We actually use the spout of the milk jug, sort of rest that on the steam wand. Gives you a lot more control about the little movements we're making into the milk. In terms of the position of the steam wand itself, just have it so the end here sort of punching the surface. Slightly pitched off to the side as well. Really, you want to create a vortex going on the milk. So if you've got it too central, it's not going to create a vortex too much. That's why we pitch it off to the side slightly. When I turn the steam wand on, we're going to hear like a sort of paper ripping noise. And this is the stretch. This is where we inject the air into the milk, which in turn helps us create the foam in it. So I'm going to turn it on. So try the injection of air into the milk there. I'm just going to hold it there now. Once I put the right amount of air in, you move it up very slightly. And then when it's getting too hot to handle, count 3 seconds, switch it off, and that's sort of the right temperature for steaming milk. If you hold it under there for too long, what actually happens is the milk starts to separate and burn it. So it is really important getting the temperature of the milk right. If we've got any bubbles formed in there, just tap them out at the end and give it a good swirl to just mix in the layers. And it should sort of look quite glossy. It's the right texture for it. Now I'm just going to pour sort of a basic tulip here today. Now if we pour from a height to start with, gives us a good canvas to pour onto, 2/3 full. Then we just pour in sort of layers, so where you get the foam sitting on top. And pull up and through to finish it. And there we go. That's sort of a basic tulip shape there. I hope today's video has been really useful and hopefully it's helped you improve your milk steaming technique a little bit. Thanks a lot for watching.